All right, let's talk about something a lot of people brush off, that one little roof leak. You see a small water stain on the ceiling or a drip near a vent and think, it's probably nothing. We'll deal with it later. But here's the deal. What looks small up top can turn into a whole lot of damage underneath. And most of the time, you don't know what's happening until it's already expensive. Here's how it usually goes. You get a little wind-driven rain, maybe a nail backs out of a shingle, or the flashing around your chimney that lifts up just enough to let water in. Not a flood, just a little drip here and a little drip there. But realize roofs are like onions. You've got shingles, underlayment, decking, insulation, drywall, and water loves to travel sideways. So that leak you see in the bedroom ceiling, it could have started 10 feet away 3 weeks ago. And while you're waiting for it to get worse before calling someone, it already is. You just can't see it yet. Now, what we've seen over and over is that small leaks quietly soak into the insulation first. That causes your energy bills to creep up because your home's not holding heat or AC like it should. Then that water starts softening the drywall. Before long, you're dealing with stains, sagging ceilings, maybe even mold starting to grow behind the scenes. We've had people call us for a minor leak, and by the time we opened up the roof, the wood decking was rotted and we had to rebuild an entire section, all from a leak the size of a golf tee. Now around here in the Triad, we get a ton of mixed storms, humidity, heat. Combination's brutal for roofing systems, especially on older homes or additions where the flashing wasn't done right or the ventilation's off. A lot of the calls we get start with, "Hey, I noticed a spot on the ceiling. It's not dripping or anything, just wanted to get someone to come check it out." And when we get up there, it's not just one issue. The shingles are fine, but the flashing is rusted out. Or someone reused some sort of old materials on a repair. Or the leak's been slowly soaking into a section of the roof deck for months. Here's the cost breakdown, and I'll try to keep it as real as possible. Now, if you're just fixing the original leak, sometimes that's a simple $200, $300 repair if we catch it early. You wait too long, and now you're talking about insulation replacement, drywall repair, repainting, and maybe even some structural woodwork. And then what about mold? If you have to get that remediated, that's a whole separate bill. Trust me, it's not cheap. Oh, and then good luck getting your insurance to cover it if you didn't report it when it started. A lot of policies don't cover damage from neglect or wear and tear. So that $300 patch you delayed, now it's $3,000 or more in repairs and a whole lot more stress. So my advice, if you even think there's a small leak, have someone look at it. Not to sell you something, not to panic you, just to know what you're working with. The Camel City Roofing will come out, take a look, document what we see, and let you know if it's something small or something that needs attention. Either way, you get peace of mind, and hopefully avoid a surprise renovation you didn't ask for. And just think, roofs are like brakes on a car. You don't want to wait until they fully fail to fix them. Now, one leak might seem like a big deal today, but it doesn't take too long to snowball into something major. Let us check it out and keep your roof doing its job, keeping everything you care about dry and safe.